Hi everyone, today is part 3 of our chair yoga. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So today we are working on our shoulder a little bit and our lower body as well as hamstring. Okay, so what you need is all you have to have one strong chair as I mentioned in the day 1. Now sit comfortably. Before we start, let's take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Close your eyes, keep your spine straight, drop your shoulders down, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Have a gentle smile on your face, keep your forehead relaxed. Now open your eyes. Okay, so now neck rotation. Let's start with first neck rotation. Inhale to the right and exhale to the left. Inhale to the right, exhale to the left. Do not move your shoulder, just move your neck with each time you breathe in and breathe out. Also observe the stretch you are experiencing at this time. Now up and down and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Come to center. Now take your both the hands forward. Let's do a ankle rotation. 3 to 4 times, clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Opposite side, anti-clockwise. Down. Now take your right hand straight forward and take your left hand from below. Hold your elbow and try to push it to the side. At the same time, keep your shoulder in center and turn your neck to the other way around. Now here, close your eyes. Take 2 to 3 deep breaths in, breath out. Meanwhile, see that what stretch are you going through at this moment. 3, 2 and 1. Slowly open your eyes. Turn your neck to the center. Now release. It's a very simple stretch. Let's try once again the other side. Left hand forward. Take your right hand from the below. Hold like this and then push it to the side. Turn your head to the other way around. You're going to close your eyes here. 3, 2, 1 and slowly release. Okay. Now open up your both the hand out here. So all you're going to do is you're going to get your both the elbows closer to each other. Exhale in, open. Exhale round, inhale open. Exhale round, stay here. 3, 2, keep your spine straight. 1, release down. Okay. So moving forward for the lower body, first we'll start with the right leg. So bend your right leg all the way up. So be very comfortable, keep your spine closer to the back seat and bend your knee and hold your knee from your both the hands, or you can also hold it from your both the palm like this, whichever works well for you, and keep your left leg comfortably on the floor. As you inhale, you're going to lift your neck up. As you exhale, you're going to drop your neck down. 2, down, 3, down, 4, the last one, down, stay there. 3, continue to breathe. 2, some people can't drop their neck down, that's okay. If you think your tummy is coming between, that's okay. How much ever you can, just hold your knee and stay. And here we are ending our counts along with that. Now slowly release. Hold your leg from below. Okay, this exercise is good for your knee as well. From here you're going to lift your leg up. See, when you lift your leg up, you should feel the stretch in your knee. Okay, up and drop it down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, hold. Lift your toe pointing up towards the ceiling. Stay here. Keep your spine straight if that's possible from you. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop it down. Now let's try the same thing other side. First bend your left knee. Hold your knee from your both the arms or else from your both the palm. Inhale up. exhale down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down. You're going to stay here for 3 counts. 3, continue to breathe long, 2, 1, slowly come to center. Now you're going to release the leg slightly ahead. You're going to hold your leg from your below thigh just behind your knee. Okay. Now make sure that you're resting, you're not struggling with any of the posture. Take it as easy as possible. Now from here, inhale, tighten your knee, exhale down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, toe pointing up. Make sure that your toe is facing towards the ceiling or the sky. You're going to hold here, close your eyes, 3, 2, 1 and slowly release. Now the last exercise for the day. Come to the edge of the mat. Okay, come to the edge of the chair. Sorry, I'm so used to say mat. Come to the edge of the chair. Now from here, keep your left leg bent as it is. Just keep your right leg straight. Okay, toe pointing out, your hip and your heel is in one straight line. Get your both the hands straight forward. Inhale, exhale. Don't round your shoulder just to reach the floor. Just keep your spine straight. Even if you're reaching till here, it's great. Trust me, do how much ever you can and that's it. That will help you. Here and come to center. If you can go further, you can also tap the toe and come up. Okay, now let's try. Tap the toe if you can. Otherwise, just move a little and come back. 2, 3, last 2, 4, 5, you're going to hold. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. You're going to drop your hand down. It was a good stretch for the right leg. So we're going to try the same thing the left side as well. Keep your leg straight, toe pointing up. Extend your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the last one 5. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up, relax. So these were the quick stretches which you can give it to your body sitting on the chair without using the mat. So even if you're working for any company or any kind of a desk job where you have to spend a lot of time sitting in front of the computer, make sure that you try these things. It will keep you more energetic, as well as when you stretch, you'll feel good about your body. So keep practicing. Don't forget to mention your experience in the comments. I'll be looking forward for it. I'll see you very soon with a different series. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.